So in this video, we're looking at the Mini 3 Pro. And in the last video, we did the quick shots. I thought what I'll do in this video, I'll do the Pano. Now this is obviously taking photographs and then stitching it together. And we'll just see how, I mean, I've seen a few videos lately saying sometimes the picture's looking a bit blurred, especially the video. Maybe the photographs are not as pin sharp as they should be. So hopefully here, with the bright sun and that, I'm going to use that as the backdrop. So should we get going? I just turned on the controller. It's just loading up. Something else I've got to remind you guys, the middle switch there, make sure it's on the normal mode, because that will cause problems if you haven't got the normal. You've got the speed, sports mode I should say, and the cinematic on the left, and record that for you. So it's recording now, so we'll just go back to what we was doing. So we're going to do the vertical shot, put that up on screen for you. So as you can see, it's going from the top, it's done the middle one, and it's done the bottom one. And what it will do, once the percentage is done, it's saying 97%, so it's all done now. I'm going to go back and show you the 180. That's a good shot. The other one, which is the wide angle, I didn't particularly like the wide angle. And what I will try the spear. This is the circle thing. I've never seen that before on there, on my Mavic Air 2. Unless it isn't. I mean, like you know, I'm not a great lover of these modes. I just enjoy flying, but I suppose sometimes they do come in handy. So what it's done, it's taken all the photographs at 50%, and then the other 50%, what it's doing is actually stitching it together in the software, which does amaze me. Now I presume I could go into my photos on this and have a look, but I'm not today, because I've got 49%, which is all right. Okay, so we're going to tap into the 180. Now above it is the spear. I'm going to see what that looks like. Interesting to see if that's really good, because I'm sure that's not on my Mavic Air 2. I think the only problem with these sort of shots sometimes is the sun's over there at the moment, and what I try to do is not try and capture any glare. You might get a bit of flareage. And also, it's doing this all in Jpeg. Obviously, that's for the photographers to fight over. But to me, JPEG's fair enough. You take some amazing photographs. So 66%, 69%. So it's just sorting it out. Okay, all done. So we just go back into it, and what we do, we just go back to, we'll say we go back into photo, and what I'll do now, I'll bring the drone down, and then we'll have a chat. Yeah, I was pretty impressed with the, obviously I made a little bit of mistake at the beginning. I forgot to press the record button, so you couldn't see straight away what's going on the screen. So I did that again, and we did the Pano, we did the vertical, and we did the spear. I believe you can go into your controller and see those photographs, but I'm going to wait until I get home, look on the computer and see what they look like. Like I said before, they're all done in JPEG, but to me, I've taken some canvas shots of some of the videos I've done on my Mavic Air 2, and I would imagine we're probably talking pretty close to what those photographs look like anyway, for quality wise. But we'll see. Hope you enjoy these videos, guys. I'm trying to push out as many as I can before the weather changes, because at the moment it's been fantastic. I've got other jobs to do as well, unfortunately. But I do love the drone stuff. So, hope you enjoy it. Always fly safe. And yeah, I'll catch you on the next one, guys.